This Brightline construction update takes a look at the progress at Orlando International Airport. Like my other updates at the airport, I begin south of the airport station, then drive through the airport looking at the right-of-way. Behind the trees and bushes on the left is a track leading from the station to the location of the future heavy maintenance facility that Brightline is building in an area with no public access. While it will only be used to access the maintenance facility initially, that track will eventually become the main line when service is expanded to Disney and Tampa. While not legible in this video, the bungalow next to the signals here now has a sign on it naming this location as OIA West. The tracks will go under the roadway here as they begin to work their way through the airport. The bridge ahead is for taxiways F and E. Crews have had to build a trench under it for the tracks in order to increase the clearance. You may notice a black coating on the walls and floor of the trench. This is a waterproofing coating. For those of you not familiar with Florida, the water table is literally inches underground, so any hole that is dug ends up filling with water almost immediately. If not for the coating and other waterproofing methods, this trench would end up like the splashdown section on Splash Mountain for the trains. The tracks will then go under the elevated path of the Terminal C automated people mover. This people mover links the airport's main terminal with Brightline Station and the airport's future Terminal C that is also currently under construction. Here work is progressing on an underpass for baggage carts and other ground equipment to get between the terminal and the airside. The bridge looks to be close to being complete. Once baggage carts are moved onto this new path, crews can demolish the old path to make way for the tracks. The same is being done right here for the cart path to airside too, although the view of it is blocked by these bushes. Here work is progressing on the installation of a set of signals that will protect a future crossover that will be installed here. Another set of signals are also being installed behind those palm trees. Here at the Cargo Road overpass, the road deck has now been installed, so traffic should be moved onto it shortly, so work on the second half of the bridge should begin soon. Crews are also building a new ramp for traffic to access Cargo Road. This is necessary as the existing ramp on the far side of Cargo Road has to be removed to make way for the tracks. There doesn't appear to have been much progress on this bridge over a drainage canal. While work is continuing on the right-of-way here, the Florida Department of Transportation is also rebuilding the interchange between State Road 528 and Jeff Fuqua Blvd, making this area all that much more chaotic. The concrete wall you see is being built on both sides of the right-of-way and will separate the tracks from the surrounding area. Here's a look at that corridor created by the walls. The walls are also being built here east of the Goldenrod Tunnel. Thanks for watching. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.